Hi everyone, in this video, again, I will teach you how to solve logarithmic equation, but here in my examples, okay, if you look at the examples, the problem that we have are already in condensed form. So in my previous video, I think in my two examples there, you need to first condense the logarithmic expression and then convert to exponential form and then solve. So here, we will not be doing condensing. The logarithmic expression is already condensed. All we need to do is to convert this into exponential form and then solve. So this is simply 10x minus 16 equals x squared. So I will subtract 10x and add 16 on both sides, right? That will be 0. And then from here, the next step is we need to find a pair of numbers that when we multiplied, the answer is 16, and when added, the answer is negative 10. I think the answer here is obvious. We're looking at negative 2 and negative 8 because negative 2 times negative 8 gives us positive 16. And if we add negative 2 and negative 8, the answer is negative 10 rather. So we simply switch the sign of that. Right, that's the shortcut. X equals 2 and x equals 8. Let's go to the next one. Again, there's no need for us to condense the expression here. Let's convert this into exponential form. So that's 3 squared, which is equal to 9. So since that is 9, I will add 9 on both sides. Right? Cross that out, cross that out. So x squared minus 3x equals 0. Now this is a simple factoring. X squared and negative 3x both have x. So that's the common factor of those two. And then divide each term by that x to give the other factor, or to find the other factor rather. So x squared divided by x is x, negative 3x divided by x is negative 3. And then we have x equals 0 and x equals positive 3. Alrighty, let's go to the last example. Okay, so here we have 3x squared plus 6 equals x plus 4 square. So we need to expand x plus 4 square, and there's a formula for that. I don't know if you know, but I will use the formula here. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Alrighty, so this is 3x squared plus 6 equals, our a is x here, so that's x squared, 2ab, so meaning 2 times a times b, so 2 times x, 2x times 4, 8x. And then the b squared, which is 4 squared, and that is 16. And then I will move everything to the left side, meaning minus x squared minus 8x minus 16. So minus x squared minus 8x minus 16. Cancel, cancel, cancel. That'll be 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so it's negative 8x and then negative 10. Now, this is interesting because what we have here is a quadratic equation wherein all the three terms are divisible by 2. So if you look at 2, 8, and 10, they are all divisible by 2. So that means we can simplify this by dividing each term by 2. Our objective here is just to solve for x, so we can do that. So this will be equal to 0, that will be equal to negative 5, this will be equal to negative 4x, and then this will be equal to x squared. And now there's an easy quadratic equation using factoring. We need to find a pair of numbers that when we multiply, the answer is 5, when added, the answer is negative 4. Well, when we think about number 5, factors of 5 are just 1 and 5, obviously. Negative 5 and then positive 1. Therefore, the answers are x equals 5 and then x equals negative 1. So there you go. That's how you answer logarithmic equation. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.